Assalamualaikum! Welcome to Nur Maki's kitchen. Today I will show you how to cook Japanese style curry. Japanese curry is served and eaten with rice and curry sauce on the same plate. Cooking the meat and vegetables in the curry sauce brings out their flavors. Ingredients such as potatoes, carrots, onions, and meat are typically used in Japanese style curry. Japanese curry is less spicy and fairly sweet as compared to Indian or Thai curry, and it's usually made using curry roux. Curry roux is a mixture of flour, fats, oil, blended spices, and seasonings that are thoroughly heated and then cooled into solid form, and it's sold by food companies in Japan. Today I will use Halal Japanese curry roux, Kari ala Jepang, which is made by Housefoods in Indonesia. These are the ingredients. Cut the beef into cubes. Season with salt and black pepper. Cut the potatoes into large pieces as they will break apart when stewing. Cut the carrots into bite-sized pieces. Slice the onion. The onions will dissolve when stewed, so it's okay to cut just quick. Heat oil in the pot over medium-high heat and brown beef. And then take beef out. In the same pot, fry sliced onions until onions are translucent and slightly caramelized. Add carrots and potatoes. Return back the cooked beef. Add 700 cc of water in a pot. After it boils, skim off the scum and fat. Cover the lid and cook for 40 minutes until the beef becomes tender. Add 130 grams of Kari ala Jepang curry roux and mix well to dissolve it. Cover the lid and cook on low heat for another 30 minutes. Let's serve Japanese curry on the plate. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon!